How's it going? So this is a little bit confusing, but if you look at this thing here, so we're trying to match in regex Go. Yeah. So what this means is, it basically means this: match Go or G, but not O. Does that make sense? So character asterisk, this one here, that's what it means. It means either match G or GO, but not O. So it's in sequence. Okay, so if you write Go, it will match it. If it finds G, it will match it, but O doesn't count. All right. So this is how you test it. You see, G is found, feeling is found, but O is not found. I can type a lot of times. Maha. You see, it just doesn't find it. But if I write another G, it'll find third G. If I write down Google, whoopsie. Yeah, so anything with GO is going to find, so it can find many O's as well. So that's essentially what it means. Okay, take care.